Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick swatch and review, and this is the shade Rum Raisin. It is a cranberry brown shade in my opinion, perfect for the fall, and that is one of the reasons I am reviewing it and showing it to you guys. It is one of my favorites. This is the cream finish out of the almost 80 shades that you can choose from. There are 4 different finishes that you can also look for on their website. There's matte, there's pearl, there's sheer, but cream is my absolutely favorite. And this is a drugstore lipstick, so you can find it at Target for $4.99 or even at Ulta for $8.49. And I also want to mention that I have dry to normal lips, mostly dry right now for some reason, but these the formula in this has Abyssinian oil, it has avocado oil, it has vitamin E, and it's just a very hydrating, comfortable lip product on my dry to normal lips. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.